Hi everyone. Tonight for supper I'll be making ginger deviled eggs. What all goes into the ginger deviled eggs? This is tripled because all of my kids are eating tonight, but I'll leave the original recipe down in the description box below. So what all goes into the ginger deviled eggs? 18 hard-boiled eggs peeled, 9 tablespoons mayonnaise, 3 teaspoons of freshly minced ginger, 3/4 teaspoon of rice vinegar, 1½ teaspoons of soy sauce, and 3/4 teaspoons of red pepper flakes. So let's begin. So take your hard-boiled egg, cut it in half, put it in the yolk in the bowl, and then put your white on a platter. After you get all of the yolks in the bowl, add the other ingredients, the 9 tablespoons of mayonnaise, the 3 teaspoons of minced ginger, 3/4 teaspoon of rice vinegar, 1½ teaspoons of soy sauce, and the 3/4 teaspoons of the red pepper flakes. And mix that until thoroughly combined. Next, we'll take the filling and then fill the whites of the eggs. You can probably pipe it, but I always use a spoon. And you just fill it like that. And I'll finish that up and I'll be right back. So all of the ginger deviled eggs are done. We'll put them in the refrigerator, let them chill, and I'll finish the rest of the meal and then we'll do a taste test. So here are the ginger deviled eggs. Rounding out the meal is Dorito chips and Sloppy Joe with pepper jack cheese. Let's see what Tanner and Natalie think. This is Tanner, Natalie, and Gideon. And they're both going to try the ginger deviled eggs.
Which one you want?
This one, probably.
Okay, take this one.
All right. Should we cheers it?
Yep.
Okay.
Cheers.
It's actually not that bad.
Really good though.
I wasn't expecting that with the ginger though. It's good.
I can taste the ginger. This one is real good.
Your throat going to swell up?
Maybe.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.